Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Oraimo Watch 5. The model is Oraimo OSW805, and we are going to compare it with the ITEL Storm Ultra. The model is ITEL O23. Okay, let me show to you. So we have the model name here, ISWO23, while the Oraimo Watch 5 is OSW805. On this video, we are going to compare these two wearables. We will compare the design, the specs, as well as the offered features. So which is better? We will answer that, or you will be able to know that when you watch this video. Again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe, as we will compare the Oraimo Watch 5 versus the ITEL O23 Storm Ultra smartwatch. Alright, so let's start and compare the Watch 5 versus the Storm Ultra. Again, this is the OSW805 versus the ITEL ISWO23. So let's go first with the packaging here. Both do have a very good packaging, but I like the Oraimo. It's much thicker, better, more durable packaging, and I like the design here. So we do have some information here. Both do have a Bluetooth call support and health monitoring. More than 2.01 inch high definition display. Here 2.02 inch high definition display. 180 m waterproof. This is IP68. So these are the details. The Storm Ultra is using the iPulse app, available on Android and iOS. The Oraimo is using the Android or the Oraimo Health, available on Android 7.0 and above, iOS 12.0 and above platform. Okay, 320 by 390 pixel resolution for the screen display here. We'll have more details about the specs later on with the Oraimo versus the ITEL. So this is the packaging here. Okay, both do have a seal of authenticity. Okay, authentication center, we all have it here. Okay, then next, let's go with the smartwatches. Let's check out the design of the Oraimo Watch 5 versus the ITEL O23. Okay, let's put this aside. So we have here the smartwatch. The Oraimo the Oraimo Watch 5 do have a PC material, plastic, while for our Storm Ultra we have a metal body frame. So more durable for our Storm Ultra. We almost have the same size, I think. Let's see. For the width, okay, wider body for our Storm Ultra compared to our Oraimo Watch 5. The back, both do have a magnetic pogo pin charging cable. We have the sensor here. I like the back here of the Oraimo compared to this one. Okay, so it is oil magnet for the ITEL O23 back cover. For the button here, so this one, power on and off button, while this one, we do have a rotary function. Okay, you can use this to change the menus here. And we also have here the side button for sports. This one is only on and off button. Okay, it is not rotary. Okay, we'll change it to a lighter background. Okay, can you see the black border here? I think I like the Oraimo here. Both do have a wide black border on the bottom part. For the thickness here, okay, let's see. Let's have the dimension. .47 7 or 47.6. For the width here, 38. How about this one? Without the button, we have 40. And the 49.2. So much wider. The length is also much longer for our Storm Ultra compared to the Oraimo Watch 5. Both do have a quick release pin for the strap, flexible silicone strap here. I don't know if this is 0.22. Let's see. Yes, 0.22. Okay, the same. Okay, both do have a 22mm strap, 0.22mm strap. For the weight, let's check. Of course, the Watch 5 is much lighter as it has a PC body frame. 43. While for the Storm Ultra, we have 58. Okay, almost 20 grams. Okay, when it comes to body weight difference. For the specifications, let's have, before we proceed to the menus and features, let's have the specs here. Okay, I'm going to put it here on the side. For the specs, the Oraimo Watch 5 will have a 2.01 inch TFT LCD, 2.02 inch IPS LCD for our Storm Ultra. For the pixel resolution, 240 by 296 for our Oraimo Watch 5, 320 by 390 for our Storm Ultra. 180mm waterproof. This one is IP68 waterproof. Oraimo Health for the support app. So this one is iPulse app. For the battery, both do have a 300 mAh battery and Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. For the usage, it is the same, I think, 7 days of normal usage. You can check out the complete specs here. Again, metal frame for our Watch Ultra, PC material for our Oraimo Watch 5. Okay, so that's it. Next, let's go to the menus and features of both smartwatches. Now that we are done with the design, the specs, let's proceed with the features or the menus offered here on the Oraimo Watch 5 as well as the ITEL O23 Storm Ultra Smartwatch. So let's put it side by side. On top we have the settings, the options, almost the same here as you can see. Both do have the brightness option. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On the left side we have the split screen for the O23. We have the dashboard here for our Oraimo Watch 5. On the right side we have the different cards here or widgets. Okay, both do have an option to add your own, but limited here for our Storm Ultra. Going back, to access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, let's go first. We have the activity here. We have activity records. We have the heart rate. We have the Bluetooth call support. You have the message notifications. Workout here, we have the exercise. Both do have a good list of sports functions. Okay. But the O23 do have a much comprehensive list of sports functions compared to our Oraimo Watch 5. Okay. It is fully loaded with different sports functions for our ITEL O23. Okay, going back. So we have the blood oxygen here. So this is not what I like. This is what I don't like about the Oraimo Watch 5 screen. It is prone to accidental touch. Okay, unlike here for the O23, very responsive, very easy to navigate. Do have a music control. Again, the screen display here for the Oraimo Watch 5 is prone to accidental touch. We have a heart rate, AI voice. Do we have it here? But we do have a blood pressure here, as well as breath training. We have a breath training here. We have relaxation. Remote camera, we also have it here. Cycle training, weather report, find phone, calendar, and calculator. I don't think we have a calendar here on our Storm Ultra, but we have a timer and alarm as well as stopwatch. We also have an alarm here and stopwatch, but we have a calendar here and breath training. Stopwatch. We also have here the calculator. The calendar is missing here for our Storm Ultra. We have Find Phone. We have flashlight. We have flashlight here. We don't have, and we also have a games here. 2 games. We have several games here for our Storm Ultra. Only 2 games for our Oraimo Watch 5. Settings. So here are the settings. Almost the same here, I think. Sound and vibration, lower power mode, vibration and ring. We also have it here. We have the QR code, phone. We have a password support. We don't have a password support here. Sound, battery, general, and about. Okay. So Oraimo Watch 5 version 1.0. We don't have a password, security password or pin for our Oraimo Watch 5, but we have it here on the O23. Again, let's go back to the main menu. Let's swipe it slowly so we can check. Okay, try to check out the difference when it comes to offered menus. Okay, breath training. We don't have. Seems like we don't have an AI voice for our Oraimo Watch 5. I don't see it here. Timer, find phone, calculator, flashlight. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review. We have a flashlight here. Okay, it's not available in the main menu. Comparison review of the offered features for our Oraimo Watch 5 versus the ITEL Storm Ultra. Again, if you have any comments, drop a comment down below. And of course, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.